Here we go. Darren got it all put together. You ready to go to work now? There's no excuses.
It has these little fancy drug stashes.
Got little side pockets in there. They're all locked down. Got your tie downs. These little guys right here. Then everything slides out like it should. Then you got your little cheater box in there. That's on the left side.
These are also movable, by the way. You can take these out and put them right here if you want.
You can move them around.
Those spots. Nip this screw.
Then you got your little bigger box here. You can pick it up. You got stuff in there. Or you can pick it up as a handle and take it out. She's all done. We're about 2 hours in, so we'll go ahead and invoice you on this bad boy.